welcome back to my channel, and today I have another Valentine's DIY from the Dollar Tree. So let me show you what you'll need if you want to make the project. Here's the love sign that I hauled not long ago, so you're going to need one of these. It's kind of plain, so we're going to jazz it up just a little bit. And then you're going to need some of this Apple Barrel multi-surface paint in Pink Paradise. And I just think that's a wonderful kind of a hot, bright pink. And then you're going to need some glitter. Any kind of hot pink glitter will do. I don't know really where I got this. I've had this so long. It might have been Michael's. I'm not really sure. And then you're going to need a pack of little scrapbook paper. I got mine at Target's Dollar Spot for $3. It's one of the papers that I used in my monthly spread. And then you're going to need some foam brushes, probably some little smaller brushes, some scissors, a pencil, a glue gun, and I may use one of these markers. This one is the Sharpie Gold Metallic, and this one is just the hot pink Sharpie. So what I'm going to do for time purposes is go ahead and paint this off camera, and all I'm going to do is just paint the sign. That's all with this Paradise pink paint, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, what I have done is just painted it, and I think it already looks better just painted. And now since I'm going back over it with wet paint and then just sprinkling the glitter on it, and I'll show you what I'm doing there. But it is really, really simple. You just get your paint and then you just sprinkle it right on there. And if it's wet, it'll adhere. And then do it over something so you can catch your leftover glitter so you're not wasting any of it. But I think that is just so pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and do it on the insides and the top. And then I'm going to let that dry, and then we'll be right back. Okay, it's still pretty tacky, but I think it's looking really, really cute. I love how glittery. It already looks 100% better, I think. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, I originally thought that I would use this paper. It's a very light pink, but it's like such a peachy light pink. I don't think it's going to work with the gold writing that says I love you in different languages and everything. What I'm going to do is trace the butterflies out on that and put these on the butterflies. But then I saw this, and it's much more simple than the other one, but I think that it goes better with it. So I'm going to go ahead and trace out one butterfly on each just to see. And what I'm going to do, it's really easy. All I'm going to do is just lay down the butterfly and make sure that I have it on something that just isn't white. Get as much of those hearts as I can. And then I'm just going to take my pencil and go right, and you could have done this before you put all the glitter and paint and everything. And that one's not working. But I think we'll be fine anyway. I don't think it'll be a problem. Okay, there's that one. I'm just going to go ahead and cut that out, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I have revised my plan somewhat. I went ahead and painted it all pink and put the glitter on it, and I think it is adorable just like this. I mean, I really do love it. So you could leave it alone like that. Now I went ahead and cut the little butterfly out of this, and then I cut the little butterfly out of this other paper, and I really like this other one better. So I'm thinking about I've folded the butterfly, and I'm thinking about just putting it right here and kind of let it look like it's actually flying. So I think that's what I'm going to do. And then I have a small, I cut this one a little smaller for this one. But, so let me go ahead and try to do this and see how this turns out. If I find out I don't like it, it's just hot glue and it will come right off. But I wanted to give that butterfly some dimension. It's cute. But I think if I'd have had a different paper, maybe it would have been better. But it really is cute. It is really adorable. Okay, let me get this one folded and see exactly. So I want to give them a little bit of dimension, but you could do a lot of things if you wanted to. You could just get markers and put veining in these and leave them like that, and they would be beautiful and not even put the paper on top. But this is how it turned out. Let me show you. I think it's really, really cute. I do. And I love butterflies anyway. So I really am pleased with how this turned out. It's so whimsical, and it does give it dimension. And that glitter is gorgeous. It's far from how it looked before, I think. So what I'm going to do is put this somewhere in my kitchen. I don't know where yet. I may have to eventually start moving it into the other rooms. I'm getting so many things. So I'll be right back. Okay, for now I have put it right here on my sofa table. I think I'm going to put it actually in my window, but there's so much sun you would never get to see what it really looked like if I put it in the window. But it is so sparkly and beautiful, and the butterflies now have dimension. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.